There's outrage over a horrific child abuse case in Lancaster. The death penalty is now off the table for the mother and her boyfriend who are charged in the murder of Anthony Avalos. KCAL 9's Leslie Marin live tonight in downtown LA with reaction from the 10-year-old victim's family and the prosecutor. Leslie?
Yeah, Susie, the decision is part of DA Gascon's new directives. Now, the family of Anthony Avalos tells me they've been looking for justice and fighting for justice for nearly 4 years, and they feel like this decision once again feels like the system let him down.
He was always so joyful, and his laughter, his smile, so contagious, and it's not fair, you know?
Just 2 days after what would have been Anthony Avalos' 13th birthday, Aunt Maria Barron was in court as the district attorney's office dropped the possibility of the death penalty against Avalos' mother and boyfriend, both charged with torturing and murdering the young boy in 2018.
Now these two monsters are just relief that, hey, you know, at least we're not getting the death penalty. It's not fair.
They get to have that light at the end of the tunnel, and Anthony doesn't.
Under the new district attorney, George Gascón, prosecutors have been directed not to seek the death penalty in cases, meaning the maximum sentence Heather Barron and Kareem Leyva could face for the death of Anthony is life in prison, a reality that is upsetting to Anthony's uncle, David Barron.
Still, they get to live their life out in prison. Anthony doesn't get to take another breath. He doesn't get a second chance.
Prosecutor Jonathan Hatami also strongly opposed Gascon's decision. In a statement writing, "This is not based upon new evidence. This is not based upon new mitigation or new law. I stand by the special circumstances committee decision that I announced to the court on the record 2 years ago."
You just see it in his eyes, the disappointment, because he knows what's fair is fair.
Prosecutors alleged Barron and Leyva severely tortured 10-year-old Anthony by whipping him, pouring hot sauce on his face, and dropping him on his head before he died. They also faced child abuse charges involving 2 other children in the home. Emotional, Anthony's grandmother spoke in Spanish, calling the decision unjustified. Anthony's family feels DA Gascón is putting criminals before victims.
It's not fair. You know, they committed this crime. They did this to Anthony. They should be punished.
We spoke to Leyva's attorney tonight, who did tell us they were expecting this decision since Gascón took office. We reached out to Gascón, but have yet to hear back tonight. Now, this is the second time that a death penalty bid has been taken off the table since this new leadership took over. The other case involves a suspect accused of killing his cousin and a Whittier police officer. Reporting live from downtown LA, Leslie Marin, KCAL 9 News.